The secret of spring. Cold winter was finally ending. The trees were bare, and the ground looked quiet and sleepy. Deep under the soil, something magical was happening. One bright morning, little Ali entered the garden. He looked around and smiled. Tiny green leaves were peeking out of the ground. "Wow, the plants are waking up," he said. A beautiful flower slowly opened its petals. To Ali's surprise, it softly spoke. "Welcome to spring. We grow with sunshine, water, and love." Ali's eyes grew wide. "A talking flower? This is amazing," he said with pure wonder. The flower swayed and said, "Let me show you something special." Suddenly, Ali saw inside the soil. He watched roots drinking water and leaves reaching for sunlight. "Plants are alive just like you." Soon, the garden came to life. Colorful flowers bloomed, bees buzzed, and butterflies danced in the air. Ali laughed with joy. The flower smiled. "If you take care of plants, they make the world beautiful." Ali picked up a watering can. "I promise to take care of you every day," he said. As the sun set, the flower whispered, "Spring is a new beginning." Ali knew he would protect nature.